Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Peter Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Peter, and today I have my lovely co-host with me. Hello, Lily.
Hello, Peter, and hello, everyone listening. It's so good to be here today. How are you feeling, Peter?
I'm feeling wonderful, thank you. The weather is perfect. The sky is blue, the air is fresh, and I had my morning coffee. How about you, Lily?
I'm great, too. I took a short walk this morning, and I saw children going to school, people smiling, and it made me feel happy.
That sounds lovely. A walk is such a great way to start the day.
Yes, it really helps clear your mind and prepare for a good conversation.
Speaking of conversation, we have a cheerful topic today, right?
We sure do. Today's topic is our favorite English words.
Oh, that sounds fun already. I love words, especially simple words that make people feel something good.
Exactly. We're not talking about complicated grammar or difficult expressions today, just easy, beautiful words that make your heart smile.
That's right. Before we start, though, let's say a big hello to our listeners.
Yes, to everyone joining us, if you enjoy this podcast, please click the like button and subscribe to Mr. Peter Channel.
And don't forget to share this episode with your friends and family. Learning English together is always more fun.
Absolutely. Okay, Peter, are you ready?
I'm ready. So, shall I start with my first favorite English word?
Please do.
All right. My first favorite English word is happy.
That's such a perfect word to start with. Happy is one of those words that makes you smile the moment you say it.
I agree. It's short, easy to remember, and it sounds exactly like what it means. When you say happy, it almost feels like sunshine.
That's a beautiful way to describe it. For me, happy is the sound of laughter, the feeling when I see my friends, or even when I finish something I worked hard on.
Oh, yes. I love that. When I think of happy, I think of the color yellow, bright and warm like the sun.
That's so nice. You know, Peter, it's impossible to say happy with a sad face. Try it.
You're right. The word itself makes you smile.
It really does. Happiness doesn't always come from big things. Sometimes it's just a good song, a nice message, or a peaceful moment.
Exactly. It's a simple and perfect word. Great start, right?
A wonderful start. Okay, now it's my turn. My favorite word is smile.
Oh, that's a great one. Smile. S-M-I-L-E. Such a positive word.
Yes, when you are happy, you smile. It's a small thing, but it can change your whole day.
I completely agree, and a smile is universal. No matter where you go in the world, everyone understands it.
Exactly. It's free, it's beautiful, and it connects people. Even a stranger's smile can make you feel warm inside.
You're absolutely right. I once had a bad day, and a kind old man smiled at me on the bus. That one smile made everything feel lighter.
That's such a sweet story. Smiles really are powerful.
They are. And you can even hear a smile in someone's voice.
Yes, when someone talks kindly, you can hear their smile, even through a phone call.
That's true, Lily. And I can hear your smile right now.
Thank you, Peter. A smile makes everyone more beautiful, don't you think?
Absolutely. And speaking of beautiful, that reminds me of another great word. But before that, let me share one more. Family.
Oh, that's such a lovely word. Family means love, safety, and home.
Exactly. Family is your first team, your first friends. It's where you feel most yourself.
So true. And family doesn't always mean blood. Sometimes your close friends become family too.
I completely agree. Family is about connection, not just relation.
That's a great line. I love that, Peter.
Thank you. When I think of family, I imagine everyone around the table, sharing food, laughing, and telling stories.
That's a perfect picture of love. Family gives us roots and memories. It's one of the warmest words in any language.
It really is. Okay, Lily, what's next on your list?
My next word is beautiful.
Oh, yes, that's a beautiful choice.
Beautiful describes so many wonderful things. A flower, a smile, a sunset, a song, or even a kind heart.
You're right. When I say beautiful, I picture the evening sky, orange, pink, and purple colors mixing together.
Oh yes, a sunset is truly beautiful. But you know what's even more beautiful? A kind action.
I agree completely. Beauty is not only about what we see, it's about what we do and feel.
Exactly. A person with a beautiful heart makes the world brighter.
That's so true. Beautiful is one of those words that makes everything sound better.
And it teaches us to notice the good things in life, not just looks, but love, care, and gratitude.
Perfectly said. What a great word to end part 1 with.
Yes, I think we've started beautifully.
So, friends, we've talked about happy, smile, family, and beautiful. 4 simple, meaningful words that make our world brighter.
And in the next part, we'll continue with more favorite words that bring peace, love, and inspiration.
Stay tuned. Part 2 is coming right up.
Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of our episode, Our Favorite English Words. I'm Peter.
And I'm Lily. We're so glad you stayed with us.
In part 1, we talked about happy, smile, family, and beautiful. Now we'll explore a few more words that bring warmth and meaning.
Yes. So, Peter, what's the next word on your list?
My next word is peace.
Oh, that's one of my favorites too. Peace. P-E-A-C-E.
Yes, when I think of peace, I imagine sitting near a lake, hearing birds sing, and feeling calm.
That sounds wonderful. Peace is such a healing word. It makes you feel light and safe.
Exactly. And I believe peace begins in our hearts. When we are calm inside, the world around us becomes calmer too.
That's so true, Peter. For me, peace is when I'm home with my loved ones, with no noise, no stress, just quiet moments together.
I love that. Peace reminds us that happiness doesn't come from having more, it comes from being content.
Beautifully said. Okay, my turn. My next favorite word is kind.
Ah, yes. Kindness, one of the most important values.
Yes, kind is such a gentle word. It reminds us to care, to help, to listen.
And the best part? Kindness doesn't cost anything.
Exactly. A kind word, a kind gesture, it can make someone's day.
That's right. I think when people act with kindness, the whole world changes, even in small ways.
Yes, kindness is like a seed. When you plant it, it grows everywhere.
That's a wonderful image, Lily.
Thank you. So, what's next for you?
My next favorite word is home.
Oh, that's cozy.
Yes, home is not just a building. It's a feeling, the place where you feel loved, safe, and understood.
So true. Sometimes home is not where you were born, but where your heart feels peaceful.
That's right. Home can be a person, too. Someone who makes you feel at ease.
I love that. Home is where the heart is.
Exactly. It's such a comforting word.
Okay, my next word is dream.
Oh, perfect.
perfect. Dream. That's full of hope.
Yes, dream means believing in something. It's about imagination and purpose.
I like that. Dreams make life exciting and meaningful.
Exactly. And even small dreams can make a big difference.
My dream is to keep teaching English and helping people learn with joy.
And you're doing that, Peter. My dream is to travel and learn from people around the world.
That's beautiful. Dreams really show who we are inside.
Yes, and they give us direction.
All right, Lily, I have one last favorite word. Love.
Oh, that's the most important word of all.
It truly is. Love connects everything. Family, kindness, peace, joy.
Yes, love is the reason behind every good thing.
Without love, life would be empty.
Absolutely. Love is giving, understanding, forgiving.
And it's something everyone can share, no matter what language they speak.
That's so true. Love is the real universal language.
I couldn't agree more.
So today, we learned so many wonderful English words. Happy, smile, family, beautiful, peace, kind, home, dream, and love.
Yes, each of these words brings light and positivity.
And they're all easy to say, perfect for English beginners.
Exactly. You can practice them every day. Say, I am happy, I love my family, my dream is big.
That's a great way to learn and think positively at the same time.
Words have power, Lily. They can change our mood and our world.
So true, Peter. Let's choose beautiful, kind, and loving words every day.
What a perfect message to end with.
Yes. And to our listeners, thank you for joining us today.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Peter Channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
Keep smiling, keep dreaming, and keep speaking English with love.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye-bye.